guys, I'm going to show you how to make a nose mask using the pattern paper. So this is my pattern paper. I've already drafted it on my previous video, and I made a video on how you can achieve this. So I'm just going to place this on my African print. What I will do is, if you like, you can still fuse, but me, I'm just going to use the same fabric to line the fabric. I'm going to use that as a layer for my nose mask. So I'm just going ahead to cut the fabric. So if you like, you can just trace this on it, or you can go ahead straight forward and cut. So I'm just going ahead to cut 3 of this. Remember, I told you I'm using the same thing to lay inside, so I'll just cut 3 of it. Just cut the same thing. So guys, we are done cutting. So these are the things, right? Just cut on the correct side. So one side, that's one side. That's just 4 cutting. So now I'll just go and sew this side. I'll sew from here to here. And then I'll sew from here to here. And I'll show you the results. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I'm just going ahead to stiff my nose marks before I will start sewing it. I hope you can see that. So I'm gently just pressing it. So basically just pressing it before I start sewing it. So I hope you can see that. Yeah, just pressing it. Hope you can see. Yeah. Don't worry about the excess there. I'll just take it off. Don't worry. And just pressing it. Make sure that you press very well and it fits just right. So basically, just pressing my stick, attaching it to my nose mask. So basically, you can see this mark is ready. Yeah. So I'll just place this on this, making sure that the pointed parts are meeting. So I'll sew from here all round. So you can see. So that's it, and so I'll just go ahead and notch. So beautiful. Hope you can see that. just how we wanted it. So just like a cup. Yeah. As a cup, it feels so right. Yeah. And I'll just use my other fabric as layer, as I said earlier, to complete this, and I'll show you the end result of this. So I'm going to sew from. So right now, what I'm going to do basically is sewing from this angle, from here, and this is where we are putting our elastic. So I'm not going to put any sew here yet, but I'll sew all around the edges here, and I'll show you the end result of how it looks like. So guys, basically we are almost done with the cap, and I'm done with the sewing, and I'm just going to head to turn it over before I put on my elastic, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to achieve that. I'll show you that. So guys, partially I'm almost done with my cap. You can see that it's looking beautiful, so nice, and you see that it stands still. You see, it's not too soft because of the help of the steel. So I'll go ahead after giving it a neat press, then I'll fold in and put my elastic, and ta-da, we are done with our cap. And whoever is out there, please stay safe and protect yourself. But don't worry, I'll show you how you can put the elastic as well. And please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. My name is Doris Aite.